Imagine a world where human jobs are not longer needs, where machines handles everything from building skyscrapers to develop delivery your groceries. This isn't distinct the future. It's to happens right now. Welcome to the new era of AI and autonomous. So where once you bringing the questions remains is this the end of the jobs we now it's every major technologies for lives from steam engines to internets has to disrupt the job markets but now they has to causes as much anxieties for artificial intelligence. AI is to disrupt it's faster smarter and learn it's to do jobs that's as a that's we thought only human can do things derives the factories workers and even artists doctors. So how the bandits are you handling that toward the mass unemployment or can AI and humans coexist in this new economy? AI has already to takings over the several industries in the factories, robot assemblies, product factories, and chapters is the human ever could in transportation, self-driving cars, and beings to develop to replicate human drivers. Even while the white collars jobs aren't safe, AI algorithm to analyze the data to write the reports and even the provide the legal advice. First example I will taking the manufacturing. So let's we take the manufacturing. Over the 2 millions of jobs have been lost in the US due to the autonomous 2000s. And the numbers are rising in that the times. Automations assemblies lines are quicker, safe, and more cost effective. And second example, retail and customer service. Retail jobs are also to disrupting the self-checkout systems, and AI-powered chatbots are replacing the cashiers, customer service representatives. Experts are derives on what's the AI impacts in jobs will be. Tech leaders like Elon Musk warns of AI dangers for the futures, where millions of losing their the jobs, while other argues the technologies while to create more jobs then it's destroyed. Optimistic views. Historically, every waves of innovations from electricities to the internets has to create more jobs in the long runs. AI could be unlocked entirely new industry that's we can't even imagine yet. And second, pessimistic its view but unlikely to putting the technology past technologies. AI isn't just replacing the physical task. It's replacing the cognitives once to and then that's to game changing. Beyond the statistics, there has human sides to the story. Losing the jobs isn't just about the money; it's about the identity and purpose, which when a machine takes over, the when happens this works. Who are left at the behinds while adapting, or will society leverages then behind? What can be done? Here are some potential solutions we tackle AI derives the job displacements. First, universal basics incomes UBI. Tech leaders like Sam Altman's advice for UBI, a graduate incomes for all citizens for the funded by taxing AI companies. Second, reskilling works. Governments and the companies too much invest retaining the progress to helping to workers trains in new careers in tech and creative fields. And third, new industries. AI can create a new jobs opportunity in industries like renewable energies, robotic manufacturing, and AI ethics regulations. The key of survival's AI revolutionized the lie of collaborations, not just a competitions. AI can augmented human abilities, allow to use for focus on the task to requires a creativity, empathy, and critical thinkings. But will society to act fast enough to adapt his paradox to shifted? AI isn't good or bad. It's to how we use. It's will be to disturb where it's becomes a focus of progress or causes of mass unemployment. This questions is are we ready to shaping the futures of work before the shapes us? Share your thoughts into comment below, and don't forget and like, share, and more insights of AIs and future of humanities. Subscribe now.